Our world is changing. Faster, more connected, and more demanding than ever. Population growth, urbanization, clean mobility, and resource efficiency are shaping tomorrow. And yet, one material remains essential to solving these challenges: plastic. Light, durable, and versatile. And when used responsibly and recycled intelligently, plastic isn't the problem. It's part of the solution. Of course, plastics needs the right technology. That's where extrusion blow molding comes in, the key to producing complex, lightweight, hollow parts at scale. At KAUTEX, we've been shaping this technology since 1935. From the first plastic bottle to high-performance fuel systems, we pioneered blow molding, and we're still pushing its limits. Why blow molding? Because it's fast, because it's efficient, because no other process offers this much design freedom. From tanks to bottles, from kayaks to furniture, minimal waste, rapid cycles, maximum flexibility. And when a limit appears, we move it with modular, scalable solutions, proven worldwide. We don't start with the machine. We start with your product, because real innovation means delivering exactly what your production requires. Not more, not less. The KBB series sets the benchmark for high-speed, sustainable consumer packaging. KEB is compact, flexible, and designed for fast changeovers. KCC is your cost-efficient all-rounder for packaging, flexible parts, and custom parts. KBS handles medium to larger-sized complex geometries like kayaks and large tanks. KSH delivers muscle for IBCs and industrial drums. Skyreef brings it all together. Smart, future-ready, and adaptable in all-electric or hybrid form. From plastic melt to post-processing, from extrusion to shaping, every step is refined and aligned with your product vision. Our machines are engineered around you. For 90 years, we've supported the industries that shape how we live, move, and consume. In consumer packaging, lightweight, recyclable containers with smart design. In industrial packaging, safe, stackable, durable solutions. From 20-liter drums to IBCs. In specialty products, from sports gear to technical parts and composite liners. Bold ideas become reality. In automotive, high-performance plastic fuel tanks and more that help make mobility cleaner and lighter. We don't just build machines, we shape innovation. At our technology center, the beating heart of KAUTEX, we turn concepts into creation. Digital twins, intelligent automation, smart tools. Together, we transform innovation into performance. But none of it works without one thing: people, engineers, technicians, service experts, project leads. People are the power behind KAUTEX. They build machines, and they build trust. With every machine, our service comes built in. From hands-on training to remote diagnostics, original parts, and future-ready retrofits. We keep your production moving. For us, this means sustainability by maximizing the lifetime of your equipment. And that's where our service comes in. Always on. Always KAUTEX. Sustainability is more than a goal. It's conviction. We help customers reduce energy, close material loops, and make plastics smarter. Initiatives like our cycle make plastic packaging traceable and recyclable. Our sustainability mission stands on 4 pillars: environmental, economic, social, and personal. Because shaping the future means doing what's right, not just what's possible. And we are committed beyond business. We are over 150 specialists in sales, service, engineering, and more. Globally connected, locally committed. Our technology runs in more than 100 countries. In 2023, we began a new chapter, joining forces with JWELL Machinery Group. one of the world's largest plastics machinery manufacturers. This partnership brings scale, speed, and a broader view of plastics processing, strengthening what we do best, building better machines for a better future. And our future has origins. So, who is KAUTEX? We are engineers, inventors, listeners, doers, a team with 90 years of history and a clear view of the future. We believe in solutions, in progress, in partnership, because future needs origins. We are the KAUTEX.